So here we're looking at a Dacia 2019 and we've got a swishing noise coming from the front sort of engine compartment when we turn left and right, and we're now going to investigate it. Now we've identified the problem, we're going to do a sort of a reverse video. So this is with everything removed, and you're going to see how we put it back together again. So if you do it in reverse order, it will be pretty much straightforward. And just to show you what it is that is the issue, so down there, hopefully you can see, there's loads of leaves and rubbish, and that has blocked up the hole. And on this side I've just actually put a stick through that hole just to clear it, but it all needs to be cleaned up. But you can see that the this part here where the water drains through. So I've just actually removed the bung, and you can see that it's actually full of sediment, and that's why it's not draining. So this is all going to be cleaned out, as is the car, and then we can put it back together again. So now it's both sides fully cleaned up, and this is what it should have looked like without all the stuff inside it, and we're going to push that back in. Right, so those bungs have been pushed back in, and this is how it should look. Clean, well, as clean as it's going to get. So to put the washer bottle in, it actually slides in on the far end. There's like a bung on the end that slides in, and then you've got a single T20 Torx on this bolt here, and that's all that holds it in. Next thing to go in is the windscreen wipers, and there are 3 bolts. So we've got, they're very, very long for some reason. Got one here, and then one over at the far near the centre of the screen, and they are M10. Then you need to feed the pipe through this hole here and bring it all the way through. So in order to get the plastic trim back in again, you need to ensure that the water bottle is in this orientation, and then slide it in from below and slide it up the windscreen slightly, allowing you to get the windscreen wiper parts in. And you'll need to fit the driver's side windscreen wiper on first, or through the windscreen wiper hole first, and then work on this side afterwards. And then before you put the pipe all the way along the front plastic edge, you need to put this T15 Torx screw in to hold it all in place. Then turn this with a T30 into the lock position. Then just tighten up the windscreen wipers, ensuring they're in the correct place. Then put the caps over the nuts you've just tightened. Then connect the pipe up for the washers. Then you've got these 2 bungs that go either side that push in. So as I try to get these in and out, to be honest, they actually broke, so I've replaced them with screw down ones, which would have been a lot more helpful had they done that in the first place. And then you need to fit these rubbers back on again. And then this rubber fits in the end of the side rubbers, and then you just have to force it down.